Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna to share with you IEEE Code of Ethics principles. So principle number 1 is public. Software engineers shall act consistency with the public interest. The software engineers approve software only if they have a well-funded belief that it is safe and meets the specifications and passes appropriate tests and does not harm to any life and or the harm the environment, and it should be public interest. Client Second number is client and employer. Software engineers shall act in a manner that is in the best interest of their client and employer, consistent with the public interest. So the software engineers keep the private any confidential information gained in their professional work, and where such confidentiality is consistent with the public interest and consistent with the law, and they and that uh, so that confidential information can be your NICs and salary, so that should be private. And the third number is product. Software engineers shall ensure that their products and related modifications meet the highest professional standards possible. So, software engineers ensure that sufficient testing, debugging, and reviewing of the software and related documents on which they work and product should be made at the highest quality of the standards. And number 4 is judgment. Software engineers shall maintain integrity and independence in their professional judgment. So, whenever you are doing judgment on any decision, so that should be independent of any team on your decision. There should be no influence of hate, political party, or friend, or any relative. And number 5 is management. Management. Software engineers, engineering managers, and leaders shall subscribe to any promote an ethical approach to the development of the software development and maintenance. Software engineers ensure good management for their project, for any project on which they work. It should include effective procedures for promotion and the quality and reduction of the risk. And software engineers need to know the standards which are held to the policy, to know the policy of the protecting confidential information. And if you are manager in leading the team, in that you should be ethical. Profession. Software engineer shall advance the integrity and reputation of their profession consistent with the public interest. So you have to keep professional integrity and reputation always on the public interest. And number 7 is colleagues. Software engineers shall be fair to and supportive of their colleagues. Software engineers shall be fair with their colleagues and supportive with their team. And last is self. Software software engineers shall uh, participate in lifelong learning regarding the practice of their profession, and shall promote an ethical approach to the practice of the profession. So which are your professional responsibilities? You have to perform these, and which on and with that practice on it, and you have to promote your learning with these things, and always you should be ethical approach. So that's for today, and be sure to subscribe my channel.